Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions, high attendance levels, as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Really is quite a sight to behold this. Mind you, they all do at this ground. Things have got underway here. Cristiano Ronaldo! And that was very necessary.
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something in the way.
No, it's not getting there. Definitely not one of his best. Rafael Leao. Manchester United can start a counter here. Now it's Haaland. Now it's Rafael Leao! Rudiger calmly anticipates. De Paul. Drive. De Paul! Same again, same outcome. It is going to be the final action of the first half. Well, it has been a half largely of could-haves and should-haves. Perhaps the more impatient amongst the supporters will feel they're overdue a goal, but it's certainly not for the want of trying, so nothing to show as yet. Clears it out of harm's way.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Rafael Leao. Oh, not quite. Hits one! It's there!
So often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Coming on the field,
and the counter is on.
Gabriel Jesus.
No, that was never going to make it.
Neymar.
He's going to be disappointed with that. Great ball. And the shot! And yes, it's there!
To make the runs, and when you keep plugging away, that will happen.
Manchester United have a couple of goals with real chance! And it's in! Ball. Diaby. Swings it across. Nice bit of trickery. It's Maradona! Close, but time for no more. The whistle has gone. What a game, what a show. Both sides robustly going about their business, and that